Industry 30 definition of terms. Industrial security, protection of people, property, and information and industry. Uh, Industrial safety, prevention of workplace accidents. Spionage, stealing business secrets. Sabotage, intentional damage or disruption. Access control, limiting entry to authorized person. Arrest, chance of loss or harm. Threat, possible cause of harm. Uh, Vulnerability, weakness can be exploited. Uh, 9. Risk management, risk management, handling and reducing risk. 10. Loss prevention, measures to stop loss or theft. Uh, uh, Physical security, protection using barriers and equipment.
Oh,
Uh, Physical security, protection using barriers and equipment. Security survey, checking a facility for security gaps. Security audit, formal review of security measures. CCTV, cameras for monitoring. Hazard, source of possible harm. Emergency plan, prepared step for crisis. Uh, Fire prevention, fire prevention. Action to avoid fire. Fire suppressions, action to control a fire. Perimeter security, protection around the outer boundary. Critical infrastructure. Uh, this is essential system for society. Patrol, regular regular inspection for safety and security. Incident report, written account of an event. Security policy, teaching workers safe practices. Safety training, rules for protecting assets. PPE, personal protective equipment. Gear for workers safety, evacuation. Leaving an area for safety. Alarm, alarm system. Device that signals danger. Key control, managing distribution of keys. 29. Inventory control, uh, tracking materials and supplies. Standard operating procedure. Step by step works instruction.